In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crossplay Overcooked 2 on Xbox and PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, crossplay is always enabled by default on Overcooked 2, as you can see by the official Team 17 website for frequently asked questions, which means that as long as you open up the game and you set up your Team 17 account ID properly when you first opened up the game, you should be able to just invite your friends by going over to the social menu, selecting them and inviting them when you add them as a friend on your Team 17 account. Remember to add them as friends, and then you can find their names on the social tab and just invite them to your lobby. In order to crossplay, you don't have to turn on any options, and you can invite friends from all other consoles, including Nintendo Switch, PC, etc. Team 17 also states on their website that all levels are currently playable cross-platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Overcooked 2 on Xbox and PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.